Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City in Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a factorial program using for loop statement in PERL. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. We are already here in our text editor. I'm using Visual Code from Microsoft. It is free. You can download over the internet. Now the first thing that I will do is to write the comment. Factorial .pl. Now in PERL, the sharp symbol represents a comment, so it is being ignored when we run our program using PERL interpreter. Next, author of this program, yours truly. Then we have here the date, October 31, 2019 at 4:54 AM, Thursday. Let us save our work. Factorial.pl, and then we click the save button. There's file type, say PERL, save. Now next, we have here print to new line, print \t factorial of a number. Factorial solver. That is the title of our program in PERL. Semicolon, horizontal tab, \t, enter a number. And then here we can have jump that will accept an input from the user, $n equals less than greater than semicolon. And then we have here a looping statement for $I first, and then we declare $I, and then we assign a value of 1, and then we have here for I equals 1. Sorry, I forgot to write $I less than equal to $n, $I increment by 1, begin. And then we have also here $fac, assign a value of 1. Then fac equals fac multiplied by $I. Okay, so we have here the loop and then here you can have print \t $n equals dollar fact, and then here another new line, and then we have \t end of program, which tells the user that the program is already terminated. Now, before we test our code, let us discuss the things that we have done. So in this portion of our code, we have here a comment that describes that contains the file name of our program, the author, and then the date. And then in this portion, we have here the title of our program. In this case, we have Factorial Solver in PERL. In this section of our code, we are asking the user to give a number, and then we have here initialization of variables, and then looping statement using for loop, and then in this portion we have displayed the result. Now let us go to our terminal. So the file is factorial.pl. In PERL, we can run by simply writing PERL factorial.pl and then press the return key or the enter key from the keyboard. Enter a number, let's say 5. So we have 5 factorial is 120. Okay, we can make some adjustment if you like. Formatting. Save, run again the code. Let's say for example we have 7 factorial is 5040. Run again. We can have 4 factorial solver in PERL. Enter a number, we give 4 factorial, value of 4 is 24, end of program. For the last time we run the program, we give 6. We have factorial solver in PERL, enter a number, we give a value of 6, we get 720, end of the program. This is it. We have already done, tested, and then we get the right result of our factorial solver in PERL program. Before we end, I would like to say thank you very much for my subscribers, followers of my channel. I really appreciate your support. I hope that every video tutorial that I made, you learn something new in different programming languages and also problem solving. My advice is, in learning one programming language, what is important, you know the process of solving the problem first. It doesn't matter what programming language that you want to use. What is important, you know how to identify the problem, what are the possible solutions into the problem, code, and then testing and debugging and finalizing your program. The same process is being applied in different programming languages. The only difference is the commands, the statement, but the logic and then the process of analyzing is all the same. So that is another advice that I can give you to improve your programming skills. It takes a lot of patience, constant practice, and dedication to improve the skills in computer programming. Actually, not only in computer programming, but anything in life that you want to pursue. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So this is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.